Aditi. So you must have seen our I Can Dance series where I taught you very basic steps, and that was actually and specifically for the beginners. Moving on to another dance form, that is Indian dance, or you can say folk dance. So here, as I told you before, that you never know कि कौन सा music कहाँ बज जाए. And if you are in the middle of the event or occasion, if someone picks you for dance and you don't know what to do, so these are 4 basic and very important forms that usually people do. और या तो आपके ओकेजन में या कोई किसी पार्टी वगैरह में या तो भांगड़ा बजेगा, पंजाबी सॉन्ग बजेंगे, या फिर कोई बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स बज जाएंगे. एंड बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स आर एक्चुअली मिक्स्ड ऑफ वेरियस म्यूजिक लाइक भांगड़ा, western beats, or rap, or Indian folk dance. So you never know what actually or where exactly you end up, which music you actually end up with. So here I'm teaching you first Indian folk step that you can do while partying. So I taught you some steps like, or some, if you aware about dipping, I taught you dipping in lot many tutorials I have released lately. So dipping is this. If you missed it, I would really want you to go into my back videos and just watch it. So it is the dipping. This is okay. What am I doing? I'm just 1 2 1 2. I'm stepping 1 2 1 2. This is called dipping. Okay, and in Indian dance हम dipping का बहुत use करते हैं. So in dipping, you also make sure you're moving your waist. So if you know how to do this, it's very easy for you. So here, what am I doing? I'm just moving my waist side, like left to right, right to left. This is the dipping. Okay, and we're using it a lot in Indian dance. So if you listen to this Indian folk song or music and you understand, so first of all you have to understand the beats, कि वो beats क्या है. And beats I can't teach you, क्योंकि वो एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो आपको खुद analyze करना होता है, right? So I can't, and no one can teach you how to understand beats. The basic I've learned was, this is what I learned in Kathak, and where I learned tal and everything, but here I can't go in depth. So beat you have to really analyze by yourself like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are the steps that you have to do on beats. And then after, how exactly we using our hands. So in dance, there are many things that are very important. Your feet, your hand moves, your whole body, how exactly it is moving, your head, your eyes, your face, everything is really important. But for the beginner dancer, if you even moving your body slightly, it's all fine. क्योंकि starting के लिए ये इतना काफ़ी है, right? So moving on to dipping. After this, you moving your waist, now hand. आपने यूजुअली लोगों को देखा होगा कि यार डांस नहीं करना है, आता नहीं है, या बस यार बस हो गया, and you just do this so that you can show your presence that yes, you know dance, but you're not really interested, right? So this is actually I call not interested kind of dance, right? But लोगों को ये भी करने में बहुत मुश्किल होता है. So that first step that I taught you here is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. While doing this, you can rotate yourself or you can just move here and there. Okay, but first of all you need to learn dipping. And for dipping, you need to go to my first episode of I Can Dance and you can learn it. Okay, so once again, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Moving on to second step of basic Indian folk dance is that if you're wearing skirt, and if you're wearing even pants, you can just hold them and you can move through your shoulders. So you have to hold it, okay? and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So suppose my skirt is this much of long and I'm just moving, I'm holding my skirt and I'm just moving my shoulder, that's it. And slight dipping. It's not like I'm jumping like this, no. I can simply go gracefully here and holding my skirt, or just even if my hands are beautiful and flexible enough, even if I'm moving like this, they look beautiful. But if you think that your fingers, your hands are not that much flexibility, they won't look beautiful, so just put them on your waist or hold them, like hold your skirt and move your shoulder. It is very important to move your shoulder in this particular step, because else it will look really bad, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now while doing this step, you can also go forward, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now these are the steps that I taught you. In this, you can use whatever hand moves you want to, or you can. Okay? So अगर आपको ये करना आ गया ना, फिर तो आप अपने हाथों को कैसे भी मूव कर सकते हो, बट ओनली द कंडीशन इज़ कि आपके हाथ अच्छे दिखने चाहिए. और आपके हाथ अच्छे कैसे दिखेंगे? अगर आप अपने फिंगर्स को क्लोज रखोगे. सो हैव यू एवर सीन दिस? नो, नेवर. सो यू हैव टू मेक दिस मच ऑफ क्लोजनेस टू योर फिंगर्स एंड मूव योर फिंगर्स स्लाइटली लाइक अ वेव. देन ओनली आपकी फिंगर्स फ्लेक्सिबल होंगी और वो अच्छी दिखेंगी, राइट? तो आपके डांस में आपके हाथों का ब्यूटीफुल लगना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, क्योंकि डांस कोई क्यों देखता है? इसलिए क्योंकि वो अच्छा लगता है, राइट? अगर वो दिखने में अच्छा नहीं लगेगा तो आपको लगेगा कि नहीं है, डांस दिखने में अच्छा नहीं है, इट्स नॉट प्लीजिंग टू योर आईज, राइट? सो योर हैंड्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्लोज योर फिंगर्स एंड use the way you want to. Even if you're doing this, you're doing this, you're doing this. आपने राजस्थानी डांस में देखा होगा. Make sure you always give motion to your body while dipping and move your hands the way you want to, like this, like a wave. Close your fingers and move your hands and your wrist like this, the way I'm doing right now. And then उसके बाद आप कोई भी steps, कोई भी डांस मूव कर सकते हो. It's not necessary जो मैंने सिखाया है. उसके बाद you join your hands and you can move your hands like this. You can move your hands like this. You can move your hands like this, like this. When I'll show you on music, then I'll tell you all these steps one by one in one go. Another step I'm teaching you right now is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is not really different from dipping. It is quite similar, but not the same. So dipping में हम सिर्फ ये करते हैं, right? अभी जो मैं स्टेप सिखा रही हूँ ये फॉरवर्ड एंड बैक स्टेप है. सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I doing? Left, any leg that you are comfortable with, you can use that for first step. Okay, either you can do right or you can do left. मेरा left चलता है, though I'm not lefty. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, forward, left, back. Left, forward, left, back. The moment you keep your left forward, your right will step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you move your waist. Make sure you move your waist. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use tuck, 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 or you can use 1, 2 like a way, the way you want to. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Else 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, once you learn this step, again you can use your hands the way you want to. You can use this like this. You can hold your skirt and move your hands, or you can do this. But make sure whatever step you're using, you have the smile on your face. And if your hands are here, you're looking to your hands here. If your hands to your right, looking to your right hand, the right side. Okay, make sure you make eye contact to your audience and to your hands moves. Okay, how would you do this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's merge all these steps and your music. Guys, that were some steps, the basic Indian folk steps that you have seen right now on this music. And as you must be wondering कि music कौन सा था, कौन सी music, कौन सी Bollywood movie का था. So these are the music that we have taken from royalty free YouTube videos. Okay, so that हमें copyright claims ना आए. So please don't get frustrated कि music कहाँ से आया, जो भी है. You can merge all these steps, trust me, in your other dance choreographies. And that was it. So guys, those were some basic steps that you can merge in any beats, any music that you have to analyze कि Indian है, Bhangra है या फिर Western है. And hope you're liking our tutorials of I Can Dance. And you can merge all those steps wherever you want to. You can dance in any event and you can say I can dance now. So that was Aditi. Do not forget to hit the bell icon for the notification. And aloha from Dancerside. I love you. Bye.